Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So we have to find S51. We have to find S51. Sum of first 51 terms, we have to find out this one. And indirectly this is one, n is equal to 51. Now another thing, there is one whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So A2 is 14 and A3 is equal to 18. Okay, so now what is the first objective? I need A value and I need D value. Okay, so that I can find the sum of this one. So first one, I am going to find D value, because to find A value we need D value here. So D is a common difference. So in this case D is equal to, there is a difference between two consecutive terms. So in this case A3 minus A2. Usually say second term minus first term. So that is not a rigid rule. Even third term minus second term or fourth term minus second term, also it gives D value. So D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is 18 and A2 is 14. So therefore D is equal to 4 plus 4. So D is equal to 4. Now I'm going to apply the value of D in maybe A2 or A3. So I just select A2 here. So we know the formula, we know the value of A2, this is 14, and the formula for AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. And here I just A2 I am writing here because N is 2 at this moment. So that is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 D. And what is the value of A2? 14. What is the value of A? That I am going to find out. So A, 2 minus 1 is 1 and D value is 4. So automatically A plus 4, that is a 14. Or 14 minus 4 is equal to A, or 10 is equal to A, or finally we have this expression A is equal to 10. So now I know the value of A and also I know the value of D. Okay. So now what is the next process? I have to find S51. It is a sum of 51 terms. S51. So in this case I don't know the value of L value, last value. I know the value of A, D, N. So I have to go with the first formula. So what is the first formula? Says one, Sn equal to N by 2 times 2A plus N minus 1 times D. The formula I am here. So in this case S51 equal to 51 upon 2, 2 into, what is the value of A? Just now we found that A value of A is 10. 2 times of 10 plus, what is the value of N? 51 minus 1 and D value 4. We already found D equal to 4. We substitute the value D equal to 4. Now 51 upon 2, 2 tens are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Okay, so that's equal to 51 upon 2, 220 plus 50 into 4 is 200. So now we are coming to the next step. 51 upon 2, 20 plus 200 equal to 220, and we can cancel 220 with the 2 because 220 is multiple of 2. So I am taking this one here, 1 2 here and here 110. So therefore the next step is 51 into 110. So keep multiply separately. 5 1, keep the 0 as it is. 1 time 1 into 1, again 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 0 1 6 5. Okay, so the answer in this case is 5610. Write the answer in the next page. So sum of 51 terms for the given AP equal to 5610. Okay, it is better to write in a sentence form. The sum of 51 terms of the given AP is 5610.